work some even longer problems, problems with 5 numbers, or as we refer to them in Abacus as teams. This allows us to work back and forth between mix plus, mix minus, relatives, etc. First question, 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 9 minus 7. Ready? Plus 4, thumb up. Plus 8, we can use regular relatives, so minus 2, then plus 10. Plus 2, thumb up. Plus 9 equals minus 1, then plus 10. Minus 7. Can we do regular minus 10, then plus 3? No, we have to use mix, so minus 10, then 7 down. Our answer, 16. Clear. Next, 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8. Plus 4, thumb up. Plus 5, finger down. Plus 3, we can use relatives, minus 7, then plus 10. Plus 4, we can use friends. We can't do simple, we don't have enough beads, so we can do plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. And then plus 8, can we do plus 8 pull together, or minus 2 then plus 10? No. So we have to do 8 up, then plus 10. Our answer, 24. Clear. Next one, 6 minus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. Plus 6 pull together at the same time. Minus 4. Can we do friends? Plus 1 minus 5 up together at the same time? Yes. Plus 3. Can we do plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time? Yes. Plus 2, thumb up. And then plus 5. Minus 5, then plus 10 relatives. The answer, 12. Good. Clear. Next one, 8 plus 9 minus 4 plus 2 plus 9. Plus 8, pull together at the same time. Plus 9, can we do minus 1 then plus 10? Yes, minus 1 then plus 10. Minus 4, can we do plus 1 minus 5 up together at the same time? Yes. Now plus 2, can we do plus 5 minus 3 down together at the same time? Yes. Now, plus 9, can we do minus 1 then plus 10? Relatives? No. So we have to do plus 9 mix, which is 9 up, then plus 10. Our answer, 24. Clear. Next problem, 5 plus 7 minus 8 plus 4 plus 2. Plus 5, finger down. Plus 7, we have to do mix, 7 up, then plus 10. Minus 8, can we do minus 10 then plus 2? Yes, minus 10 then plus 2. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. And plus 2 is minus 8 then plus 10. Our answer, 10. Clear. Last question, 5 plus 7 minus 8 plus 1 plus 4. Ready? Plus 5, finger down. Plus 7, can we do minus 3 then plus 10? No, so we have to do mix plus 7. 7 up, then plus 10. Minus 8, can we do minus 10 then plus 2? Yes, so minus 10 then plus 2. Plus 1 equals plus 5 minus 4 down together at the same time. And then plus 4, thumb up. What's our answer? 9. Very good. Now, let's work some that are 6 teams or numbers. Ready? Our first one, 4 plus 2 plus 6 minus 7 plus 9 plus 5. Plus 4, thumb up. Plus 2, can we do simple? No. Can we do friends? Yes. Plus 2 equals plus 5 minus 3 down together at the same time. Plus 6, can we do minus 4 then plus 10? No. We have to do plus 6 mix. 6 up, then plus 10. Minus 7, can we do minus 7 minus 10 then plus 3? No. So we have to do minus 7 mix. Minus 10, then 7 down. Next, plus 9. Can we do minus 1 then plus 10? No, so we have to do plus 9 mix, which is 9 up, then plus 10. Plus 5, finger down. Our answer, 19. Clear. Our next question, 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 8 minus 4 plus 1. Plus 6 pull together at the same time. Plus 7, can you do minus 3 then plus 10? No, so we have to do plus 7 mix. 7 up, then plus 10. Plus 5, finger down. Plus 8, can we do relatives minus 2 then plus 10? Yes, minus 2 then plus 10. Minus 4, can we do minus 4 friends? Yes, plus 1 minus 5 up together at the same time and then plus 1 thumb up. Answer 23. Clear. Next question, plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 minus 7 plus 9. Plus 3, thumb up. Plus 2, we can do friends. Plus 5 minus 3 down together at the same time. Plus 4, thumb up. Plus 5, relatives, minus 5, then plus 10. Minus 7, can we do minus 10 then plus 3? No, so we do minus 10, then 7 down. Plus 9, can we do minus 1 then plus 10? Yes, minus 1, then plus 10. Answer 16. Clear. Next one, 9 plus 8 minus 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6. So, plus 9 pulled together at the same time. Plus 8, minus 2, then plus 10 relatives. Minus 4, plus 1 minus 5 up together at the same time friends. Plus 7, minus 3, then plus 10 relative. Plus 9, pulled together at the same time. And plus 6, minus 4, then plus 10. Our answer, 35. Clear. Next one, plus 5 plus 1 plus 6 minus 4 plus 2 plus 3. Plus 5, finger down, plus 1, thumb up. Plus 6, can we do minus 4 then plus 10? No, so we have to do plus 6 mix. 6 up, then plus 10. Minus 4, can we do minus 4 friends? No, our 5 is already removed from the beam. So, can we do minus 10, then plus 6 relatives? Yes. Minus 10, then plus 6. Plus 2 is minus 8, then plus 10. And then plus 3, thumb up. Answer, 13. Great. Clear. 2 more to go. 7 plus 9 minus 8 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3. So, plus 7 pulled together at the same time. Plus 9 minus 1, then plus 10. Minus 8, minus 10, then plus 2. Plus 4 equals minus 6, then plus 10. Plus 1, thumb up. Plus 3, plus 5, minus 2, down together at the same time. Answer, 16. Clear. Final question. Plus 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 5 minus 7 plus 8. Plus 7 pulled together at the same time. Plus 2, thumb up. Plus 9 equals minus 1, then plus 10. Plus 5, minus 5, then plus 10. Minus 7, can we do minus 10, then plus 3? No, so we have to do minus 7 mix. Minus 10, 7 down. Then plus 8. Can we do minus 2, then plus 10? No, so we do plus 8 mix. 8 up, then plus 10. Answer, 24. Bravo! Get ready for the next group. Okay, let's keep challenging ourselves a bit. We'll try 7 teams or numbers. The first one, 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 minus 7 plus 3. Ready? Plus 2, thumb up. Plus 6, pull together at the same time. Plus 5 minus 5, then plus 10. Plus 1, thumb up. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Minus 7. Now, can we do minus 10 then plus 3? No, but what did we miss? What can we do? That's right, minus 7, simple. So don't forget, sometimes you have to really look at your beads and understand what to do first. So check simple, friends, and relatives. All right, plus 3, thumb up. Answer, 14. Great, clear. Next one, 5 plus 9 plus 4 plus 8 minus 7 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, now let's be careful on this one too. And look at all of our options before we move our beads. So we've got plus 5, finger down. Plus 9. Can we do 9 pulled together? No. And we can't do plus 9 minus 1 then plus 10. So we have to do what? Plus 9 mix, which is 9 up, then plus 10. Now, Plus 4. Can we do plus 4 simple? No, but we can do plus 4 friends. Plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Now, plus 8, we can do relatives. Minus 2, then plus 10. Minus 7, can we do minus 10 then plus 3? Yes, minus 10, then plus 3. Plus 1, all right, minus 9, then plus 10. And plus 3, thumb up. Our answer, 23. Good job. Next one, 8 plus 7 minus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3. Ready? Plus 8, pull together at the same time. Plus 7 minus 3, then plus 10. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 5, up together at the same time. Plus 5, finger down. Plus 9 minus 1, then plus 10. Plus 6, can we do minus 4 then plus 10? No, so we do plus 6 mix. 6 up, then plus 10. Now, plus 3, we can do friends. Plus 3 friends is plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. And our answer is 36. We've got 10, 20, 30 on our tens columns. And then we've got our 5 and our 1, so it's 36. Clear. Next problem. 3 plus 1 plus 6 minus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Ready? Plus 3, thumb up. Plus 1, thumb up. Plus 6, can we do minus 4 then plus 10 relatives? Yes, we can. Minus 4 then plus 10. Minus 2. Now, what do we do with this one? Minus 10, then what's the relative of 2? It's 8, so pull that together. Plus 5, minus 5 then plus 10. Plus 3, we can use our friends. Plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. And now plus 4. And how do we add our plus 4? Minus 6, then plus 10. Our answer, 20. Great, good job. Next question, 7 plus 1 plus 6 plus 3 minus 9 plus 8 plus 2. Ready? Plus 7, pull together at the same time. Plus 1, thumb up. Plus 6, can we do minus 4 then plus 10? No, so we have to do 6 up, then plus 10 mix. All right, plus 3, we can use our friends. Plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. And minus 9, can we do minus 10 then plus 1 relatives? Yes, minus 10, then plus 1. Plus 8, minus 2, then plus 10, and plus 2, thumb up. Our answer is 18. Last problem with 7 teams. 3 plus 7 minus 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7. Ready? Plus 3, thumb up. Plus 7, can we do minus 3 then plus 10? Yes, minus 3, then plus 10. Minus 4, we have to do minus 10, then plus what? Plus 6. Very good. Plus 5, minus 5, then plus 10. Plus 8 is what? 8 pull together, right? It's simple. Plus 8 pull together. Plus 3 is minus 7, then plus 10. And plus 7 is pull together, simple. Very good. 29. 29 is our answer. That is wonderful. Okay, now let's really try some challenging problems. How about 8 teams? I will say the formulas, but watch carefully because I will keep the pace consistent and not slow down for explanations. I want you to see how fluid your movements will eventually become and how you should work towards speed and accuracy once you have all of your information, your formulas memorized and you've practiced. First problem, 8 plus 9 minus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8. Ready? Plus 8 pull together at the same time. Plus 9 equals minus 1, then plus 10. Minus 3 equals plus 2, minus 5, up together at the same time. Plus 6 equals minus 4, then plus 10. Plus 7 pull together at the same time. Plus 5 minus 5, then plus 10. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1, down together at the same time. And plus 8 equals 8 up, then plus 10. 44. Clear. Next question. 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 7 minus 9 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. Ready? Plus 1, thumb up. Plus 8, pull together at the same time. Plus 2 equals minus 8, then plus 10. Plus 7, pull together at the same time. Minus 9, minus 10, then plus 1. Plus 2 equals minus 8, then plus 10. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1, down together at the same time. And plus 6 is 6 up, then plus 10. Our answer, 21. Clear. Next problem. 2 plus 9 minus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4. Ready? Plus 2, thumb up. Plus 9 equals minus 1, then plus 10. Minus 3 equals minus 10, then plus 7. Plus 7 equals minus 3, then plus 10. Plus 6 equals 6 up, then plus 10. Plus 8 equals, simple, plus 8. Plus 5 equals minus 5, then plus 10. And plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1, down together at the same time. We've got 30 on our tens column, 10, 20, 30, and 8, 38. Clear. Next problem. 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 minus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. Plus 1, thumb up. Plus 2, thumb up. Plus 6, pull together at the same time. Plus 4 equals minus 6, then plus 10. Minus 7 equals minus 10, then 7 down. Plus 6 equals 6 up, then plus 10. Plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2, down together at the same time. Plus 1, thumb up. Answer, 16. Clear. Next problem. 8 plus 5 minus 9 plus 1 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. Ready? Plus 8, pull together at the same time. Plus 5, minus 5, then plus 10. Minus 9, minus 10, then plus 1. Plus 1 equals plus 5 minus 4, down together at the same time. Plus 6, 6 up, then plus 10. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1, down together at the same time. Plus 6 equals 6 up, then plus 10. And plus 3, thumb up. Answer, 24. Clear. Last one. 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 minus 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6. Ready? Plus 9, pull together at the same time. Plus 3 equals minus 7, then plus 10. Plus 5, finger down. Plus 8, minus 2, then plus 10. Minus 7, minus 10, then plus 3. Plus 2, minus 8, then plus 10. Plus 7, pull together. And plus 6, 6 up, then plus 10. Our answer, 33. Congratulations! As you've moved through each lesson, completed homework, and moved on to the next concept, you have built a foundation. When you feel like you have these concepts down, your speed is great, your accuracy is great, you are ready for the next grade level. We hope you've enjoyed Abacus Ace. Master Abacus Ace and you will ace your tests and just about everything else. Enjoy!